Linking your bank to Couchbase Capella could streamline your financial data management. Follow these steps to successfully connect your bank account. Step 1. Create a Couchbase Capella account. Visit the Couchbase Capella website and sign up for an account. Fill in the required information and verify your email to activate your account. Step 2. Access the Capella dashboard. Log into your Couchbase Capella account and navigate to the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface, as this is where you will manage your database and integrations. Step 3. Locate the bank integration section. In the dashboard, find the section for integrations or bank connections. This is typically found in the Settings or Integrations menu. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Enter your bank details. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and test the connection. After entering your bank details, confirm the connection. You may need to complete a verification process, such as receiving a code via email or text. Once verified, test the connection to ensure everything is working properly. By following these steps, you can successfully link your bank to Couchbase Capella. This integration will help you manage your financial data more efficiently.